Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Tina Singozungu. So guys, this episode starts off with Uzama and Usmanga. Uzama is taking Usmanga to go and see a therapist because of this issue of he's having bad dreams at night, you guys. And I must say, shame guys, yes, Uzama, we are Tandega. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like Uzama, she kind of looks like, oh, Dr. Zipho Nkosi, Udume Mkokstad's wife. But anyway, Uzama, Tandega, shame just looking at her, she's so cute, Tandega, and I love Umoya Waike. So anyway, they take Usmanga to the therapist. Uzama explains Usmanga has been having these bad dreams. He sees creatures that are pretty much non-existent. And then the therapist has some time, one-on-one time with Usmanga. Usmanga does open up, and it turns out the therapist's diagnosis, in a sense, is that Usmanga has memories in his mind that is causing him to see or causing him to have these bad dreams. So what she suggests to Uzama is that Uzama needs to start doing activities, Nosmanga, that are going to distract him from the events that happened, which was the break-in and some of the stuff he gets to watch on TV. I guess, guys, it's in line with what some people have been saying in Dabayobuti. Like Usmanga just needs to stop playing with dolls, or he just needs to stop watching content that he knows scares him, because obviously at night he sees those things. Kim, I get next thing get the chance, which is Utina, Ujumbo and Ustrika. They are at Inanda, I guess, meeting up with Dr. Keshelezi. Remember last week, Ujumbo suggested to Dr. Keshelezi, asimhlawulise, let's make him pay a fine for him taking us to the club. So anyway, they meet up with Dr. Keshelezi, and I'm just like, the way Dr. Keshelezi, guys, he is such, he's so petty. He sees Ustrika and he's like, ha wena wahleli ugqoke isuit nje yini uyoshumayela. Give me his diary session is like, hayi bandla lesi sicefe sobaba, speaking about Ustrika. I'm just like, yabona Dr. Keshelezi, any opportunity he can get to make fun of Ustrika or to say something that's dodgy, he will definitely say it. But anyway, Dr. Keshelezi, as he's meeting up with them there, he brings up indaba yokuthi phela uLokhuzana uthina Ustrika didn't come to his church events. Remember last week or the other week, he had a church conference or something like that. Ustrika says, vele mina, I was not gonna come because you know uthi mina, now we don't bow to the same altars. uLokhuzana uthina then says, vele mina, now we were not on good terms, so I was not gonna come. Jumbo went. That's what Jumbo, guys. I don't know. I just feel somehow about a person who always wants to play it safe. I find those people dangerous. There must be something you stand for. And I'm just like, I gag. When I watched that episode of of Dr. Keshelezi's church and what they were doing, I was just like, I myself would not go. So Ujumbo angazi ukuthi maybe you went because Dr. Keshelezi bekazomkhokhela u20K wakhe for Fula or what. But anyway, Ujumbo went to that event, even though I don't remember seeing him on the camera footage. Anyway, again, they get inside a store, they saying to him, they tell him, Dr. Keshelezi, what your fine is, you're going to buy toiletries for abantwana besikolo, which is your Colgate, your pads, your sanitary towels, as some people say, or in another word, and then roll on for the children need. Oh, boy. So they get into the shop, you guys, and I can see Dr. Keshelezi, the way he's so chilled. I'm just like, this one is not gonna pay. Hey, bo, ustrika number one. Hey, bo, Dr. Keshelezi, abakhethi izinto. When they get to the toll, he's like, hey, bo, mina, angiliphetha card. I don't have my card, and he's not paying them. Now all the gents, Ujumbo, Beno Striker, and Utina are looking at him. They there by the till, so scanway everything. At the end of the day, Utina has to be the one who ends up swiping, and that bill came up to like 5,400 rands. Utina ended up swiping for those things because Ustriker said, not Ustriker, because Dr. Keshelezi said he doesn't have his cards there. Guys, the other gents were making it seeming like Dr. Keshelezi arana mali and whatnot. From the way I saw things, he probably even had his card on him. Guys, Dr. Keshelezi is very smart. Besides the card, kunama app, there's tap to scan, there's a lot e-wallets, you could have transferred money to someone else's account so that person can play with their card. He was just not gonna do it because of the way they approached him. And I felt like he was proving a point, but they were not seeing it. They were basically saying, Muti Adana Mali. I'm like, Unemali, Dr. Keshelezi. It's just that he's not going to do what you guys are telling him to do. And in his diary session, Vele, he does say, Uti, the thing is, these guys, I'm a step ahead of them. And I'm like, that's exactly what it is. If Dr. Keshelezi doesn't want to do something, guys, he's not going to do it. And he clearly didn't want to pay that fine, and he did not. Fine, okay? After that, they get out, then they go to Ulokuzana Utina school, high school, and then they give the children the sanitary pads. It was just like nyara nyara that was going on there. Uchumbo was performing. Yabaz Yabantana Beskolo ne gospel. You think Uchi they're going to do itomoy lapayan? They wanted it grown, and it was raining, you guys. But anyway, they did the Lord's work, which is bringing the children toiletries. So I guess, it's better than nothing. But I just kind of feel like maybe they should have left it to the teachers to do out the handing out, because I saw Ustriker handing out Colgate one by one. I'm like, what is this? They should have just given it to teachers, and then maybe teachers could have given it out class by class. But I guess that one's really not that deep, you guys. Then anyway, Striker goes to his car and he realizes that the wheel of his car is flat. Then he called Utina. Utina is like, yo, Haibo, what happened? Uchumbo comes. Yo, Haibo, what happened? Udotelezi comes, guys. And Zelaitana, quality drama. Uyasega, guys, he's making fun of the situation. And then he turns it into an ancestor thing, saying, this is the ancestors punishing you, manje. He's like, I mean, I think is I was just like, he's so petty, you guys. There was absolutely no reason for him to make fun of Striker in that type of situation. But anyway, what I noticed is that Ujumbo and Utina were they continued laughing at Dr. Keshelezi's jabs and jokes that he was making about Striker, because he even made a joke about his pink t-shirt, asking, Dr. Keshelezi was asking Striker why he skip S pink, and saying when vele udlalela leya team, like to say you gay, and vele mina I gave a prophecy this year yoguthi a divorce rate will be high amongst Christians, and I'm just like, why are they entertaining such things? Dr. Keshelezi was so happy, you guys, and I felt like Ujumbo was even entertaining him more by laughing at the things. The only time Ujumbo kind of stepped up was when Dr. Keshelezi mentioned the homophobic or the gay joke thing, and then Ulokuzana Uchumbo's like, no, we don't make jokes about people's sexuality and whatnot. But I feel like Utina Beno Chumbo are giving Dr. Keshelezi the platform to continue behaving the way he's behaving. Guys, if you have a friend and the friend doesn't want to, you continually tell them what they're doing is inappropriate. You cut them off. Not only that, guys, you can't be like Utina, for instance. He's the middleman between Ustriker and Dr. Keshelezi. So Utina can't be comfortable with Dr. Keshelezi disrespecting or making fun of Umzo, which is, not Umzo, making fun of Ustriker like that. Because tomorrow, Ulokuzana maybe ngazwani uthi nambe no Dr. Keshelezi, he'll probably do the same thing to you. So don't ever think you're special when you see your friend disrespecting other people, having no regard. Tomorrow you're gonna have a fight with them and they're gonna do the same thing to you. So I don't know why they're not just cutting Dr. Keshelezi out of this group, because he's gonna continue doing those things. And the funny thing is that he's a target is uStriker, but the other ones are suffering for that. And I'm saying they're suffering for that because in this conversation, a person who's watching it from outside is going to ask, "Uthi nabe noJumbo, why behleka? Why are they enabling uLokuzana, Dr. Keshelezi to make fun or to joke about uStriker like that?" So yabona ukuthi uthina benoJumbo are being inserted into something that has nothing to do with them only because Dr. Keshelezi wants to get back at uStriker. At this point, uJumbo does say what he's disappointed because at the end of the day, this whole thing of them even coming to meet up was so that they can create peace amongst them, but it's not happening. I said it from I don't know when. Uthi thina akayebo ukuzama ukuhlanganisa abantu who just don't get along. It's fine when people don't get along. Don't force people to get along because things like this happen. Anyway, let's just park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.